Say bye-bye to that old tire rod end and say hello to the new friend. Alright. See how busted this is? It's just busted. All of this grease. Ugh. Cannot believe this. Who would ever do this to a beautiful core? Alright, this your inner tire rod end right here. You got 18 times. It's very important when you're doing tire rod ends. This is the new one. Because you will fuck up your wheel alignment so bad. You'll be one of them cars. Don't be one of them cars that be on the side of the road and they be looking like they got a dog walking sideways. Don't do it to yourself. Just like that, I believe my job here is done. New lower control arm is in place and it's tightened up with the bushings all greased up. Let's see how she rides.